So it's the first part of the 125 build. I think I have everything that we need to put this together. So we have the frame, we have literally every piece is either new or refurbished, repowder coated. So essentially this is just gonna be a big Lego kit. We're just gonna put it together. First thing I wanna do is make this a rolling chassis so we have a stable platform to build upon. So that's first on the agenda. So first thing is I wanna put this triple tree in here. But there is a certain order that this needs to go on. The components, that is. So if we consult our manual here, this is what we're looking for. According to this, it goes steering head dust seal washer goes on first, and then this is the steering head dust seal, and then first race. So once we insert this, we actually have to seat these bearings in here on top of this, because essentially this is the tapered race, and then there's a race inside there, and these go upside down. So we're gonna have to figure out how to get these on here without them falling off. You know, it's funny, my dad gave me this grease, and he said he's had this can of grease for 10 years, and he wants it back when I'm done with it. But he let me use it for this. I wonder if there's a manufacturer date on this. I think we're gonna use this to keep these bearings on here while I insert it into the steering stem. The race is already placed in there. It's just gonna set in there. And we're going to kind of do this in a similar fashion on the bottom tapered race. I don't know what it is about this grease, but it makes me really nostalgic. You know, those bikes with my father when I was younger. Next. So we're going to carefully bearings around in the grease. Our top triple tree goes on. And washer. All finger tight right now. You can see how nice these powder coated parts look. A little dust on them because I was sanding inside the garage the other day. So unfortunately, when these are powder coated, they powder coated inside here, and powder coat can be kind of thick, so it's going to be hard to insert the forks in there, fork tubes in there. So we're going to try to remedy that situation by sanding that powder coat out. Gotta be careful because these forks are filled with oil. Gotta place the spring on. So, shock boot. Okay, we're just gonna temporarily put this on. All this stuff will get torqued to spec at a later time when I'm not just mocking this up. So we got the rear tire mocked up. Just a couple things. Where these shocks mount have been powder coated. However, the shocks have this metal ferrule bushing that's supposed to slide onto these. Since they're powder coated, powder coating can be kind of thick, so I kind of figured a cool way to get this off was I actually just took a piece of sandpaper and cut it to around that size, and my drill fits over here. I wrapped it around there, stuck the drill over. I was able to sand that down pretty good, get that powder coating off of there. But this metal ferrule still won't fit on there. That's about 12 millimeters, 12¼ millimeters. It's about 9¾ millimeters. I don't have a lathe, so I can't really bore that out. So I might just chuck it up in a drill and see if I can't make this ferrule fit properly. Probably should have done it this way from the start. And we'll do the same with the other side. I just discovered the air cleaner was powder coated shut. So I managed to open it and just look at this air cleaner. It's just falling apart. So obviously this needs to get replaced.